my channel. So today's video is kind of like an empty house tour, but I haven't moved out or anything. This is still the house that where I was living in, but I am kind of renovating the space and I thought it would be a great time to show you guys my house. I don't think so I have done this on my channel. I don't think so I have even done like an empty house tour. I don't know why did I not do that. That would have been such a great content though. But anyways, we're finally here, so I'm just going to show you guys around and just show you the things. So this is my living room. This is what it looks like. I just recently painted it white. I wanted it to be white. That's just my aesthetic, I think. White, gold, green, brown. So I'm sticking to the same aesthetic. I also, okay, so this is my closet. Okay, that's where you enter from. Okay, and then here is my closet. A lot of you guys ask me whenever I did like closet tour or closet related videos. A lot of you guys used to ask me if I live in like 2 BHK and where's my wardrobe and why is it not in my bedroom. That's because it was always in the living room, because I still treated this space as my studio, so I needed a little bit more space to create content in the bedroom. And my bedroom is the space where I get the nicest sunlight, so I did not want this to be there. It would have looked pretty odd. So this is where my closet is. And moving on, this is what we recently got done. So the house came in with that switch, but for the TV, I did not want the TV to be there, so I want the TV to be here, and that's why I got the switch here. So I'm really sorry for the echoey voice. I can't really help it. There's not much in this space. Here I plan on making like a study space proper, so I plan on getting like a desk or a table and a proper chair so that I finally have a workplace. I can't tell you guys how much I have craved for this. Like literally, I have spent days and nights just editing out of my bed, and that just wasn't nice at all. So yeah, I'm really happy that I finally have a space here. I do plan on putting like a bookshelf here. I still don't know how that would look because I want to get this done first, and then if I have the space, then I'll get the bookshelf, because I do have a lot of books and I do plan on reading so much more. So I do need a bookshelf here, I think. Then coming here, obviously I need a sofa, so I'm going to get a sofa here so I can watch my TV, and this will also look really nice with like plants and everything. It's okay. And I think it will look really nice with like plants and everything. Here I do plan on putting like a circular mirror and just like I don't know, like a shoe rack, maybe not here, maybe here. And don't ask me what am I going to do about my closet. I do plan on selling it off, but I will do that only when all of these things that I just told you come together and I see these things in person. Then I think I will make the decision. But if that doesn't happen, like it doesn't look the way, but obviously I don't know kitna space lagega kiske liye. So if it looks just the way it is in my head, then I think I will sell it off and I'll make a new closet, like a customized closet in my bedroom. So that's the plan so far. Okay, before we move on and I'll show you the rest of the house, which I'm pretty sure you guys have seen, but I just wanted to mention that a lot of you guys used to ask me to show you guys my entire house, and why do I don't show that, and you guys used to comment all the time saying that, oh, I have not seen anything else apart from a room. Firstly, I just want to say that let just creators be, like I understand you guys are curious and all that, but there are reasons as to why people do the way they do things or why they show the things that they want to show, and let them choose. Secondly, now I'll tell you the reason why. So when I got this is for all my new viewers and also for people, but for my new viewers to catch up a little bit, I just want to tell you that I got this space in 2019 July, I think, yeah. But even then I was not really, and I treated this space as a studio, so I would come here, I would create content and I would leave. But I think in 2020 I decided that I will kind of like renovate this space, and because I'm pretty sure whenever someone moves out, they always have these dreams and they always think of it like, oh my god, I'm going to do my space like a certain way. So I thought that I'll do that in 2020, but then COVID happened obviously, and because of that I couldn't do it. But the major reason I couldn't do it is because this was my living room and my mom actually had a shop, so we had to shut the shop, and most of the things that we had in the shop we had to bring it here because there was nowhere else to put. So this entire room was literally cluttered and it had so much of things. So I literally lived out of my room and the kitchen. So I did not even call over a lot of friends, and that's exactly why that happened. But I'm very happy that finally this is happening and I'm getting to like decorate and do my space the way I wanted to. So can you imagine, I had this place since over a year and a half now, or maybe almost 2 years now. Yeah, July 2019, right? So I've had this for so long and it's finally happening. So I can't even put it in words as to how I'm feeling right now. And the most exciting thing that is happening is that I'll have my workspace. I can't tell you, oh my god, how much I've craved that. I always talk about it, like, you know, how you should have a different space for work and, you know, where you eat and sleep. I have literally sat on the floor eating food, and then I literally lived out of that room. So now that I'm going to have things, I'm so happy. I can't even put it in words. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you guys have seen my bedroom. There's nothing more to it, it's the same thing. So I've just gotten it colored, so that's why it looks a little like this. And for the closet, as I said, we are just going to make the closet here. So yeah, pura. And I do want it to be mirrored, but let's see. Someone says that may not look good, so I haven't figured that out yet, but this is what it looks like so far. I'm like properly do my space. I'm super excited for that, and obviously I'll have like a lot of plants. So that's that. I am pretty sure. So I have a washroom here, then I have another washroom here. So again, for the kitchen, I don't want to do like anything modular or anything, but I do want some space and some cabinets up here. So I'm planning on getting cabinets. Wall is yet to be painted because they've just plastered it. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the plaster to dry up so we can get it painted. But apart from that, kitchen is also painted, so that's great. So that's it. I feel really good right now. I feel so happy, just so at peace. Yeah, like I was finally able to like tell you guys everything, and there's nothing that I'm hiding now, or not that I was hiding, but yeah, I can't tell you the number of mental breakdowns that I've had just because of this reason, the fact that I was not able to do my space the way I wanted to. So many things happened in 2020, like on a personal level as well. So yeah, this always took a back seat, and finally, you know, I have this space and I'm getting to do it the way I always wanted to do it. I think yeah, it's like bringing me a lot of joy at the moment. That's literally keeping me sane, so I'm very happy. And yeah, I'm very excited to take you guys along with me on this journey. So you'll see a lot of like IKEA hauls and like a lot of IKEA stuff. So just stay tuned, and I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, I just feel like really nice and very connected, like, you know, something that I have been keeping and it was kind of like on my mind for the longest time, and I thought that I'll put it out someday, and it's finally out. And yeah, I am very happy. I hope that this video helped you guys understand and know things better, and hopefully you feel connected to me now even more. So yeah, I hope that you like this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.